Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy orange chicken, so let's get started. First, cut up your chicken and set that aside. Then you're going to make your batter. You'll need eggs, a little bit of cornstarch, flour, and some fresh cracked pepper. Stir all of that together for a batter-like consistency, and if it's too thick, add water. Then you're going to add your raw chicken to that mixture, and then you're going to scoop the chicken out and put it onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet, and then it will bake in the oven for approximately 15 to 17 minutes or until completely cooked. Next, make your rice. It's 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. For this sauce, you'll need orange juice. I used honey instead of sugar. And then you'll also need rice vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, we grated it, and ginger grated also. Then you'll finally need your orange zest. After all of this, you'll put it in the pan and let it boil down to a simmer, and then you'll add a bit of cornstarch to help it thicken up. After that, you'll add in your chicken that's been baked and thoroughly cooked, and stir all that together for 3 to 5 minutes approximately until all the chicken is fully coated in the sauce. Then you're ready to plate. Add your rice to a bowl and then put your chicken right on top of that. And there you have it, healthy orange chicken. Visit thefriendlyfox.co for more recipes.